Okay guys, this video is a continuation of our top-down analysis. In this video I am going to take 3 analysis on 3 points so that the videos does not become boring. So let's go. Now what we have left is hyper, mavia and hippo. So I will take hyper, mavia and hippo in this video. Hyper, mavia and hippo in this video. So first let's move to hyper. I already marked out area of interest on hyper. So on hyper, this is what we have on hyper. I think I already marked out these areas on hyper. So what do you let me reduce the size of these things. Okay, hyper. The price has played into our point of interest. So let me go to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see a signal that we missed. We missed a signal here. We missed a signal here. We missed another signal here and here. And here, you can see how this thing is trying to give us an engulfing candle. So I will take this trade on hyper. I will drop this signal on hyper. On hyper, you are going to take a sell. You are expecting the market to go all the way down. So you take your first take profit here. You put your TP here. You enter here, TP1, TP2, and you put here as TP3. So this is our entry on hyper. I'm going to drop this right now in the group. I'm going to drop it right now in the group. So when this is our area of support. So I might be expecting something like this on hyper. It might come here, then continue pushing up if it will go up. But let's take a sell from here. Let's take a sell. Hyper. What is this price? Sell hyper entry. You can take an entry from here. 0.1095. 0.1095 CP. Zero point 107, 0.107, 0.1045, 0.1013, 0.0986. So TP 0.107, 0.1045, 0.098. Then what is our stop loss? Let's put our stop loss here. Let's put our stop loss above this week 0.11, let's say 0.12, stop loss 0.12. Okay, so guys, that is what I am seeing on Hyper right now. So you can take the signal and trade it. As you know, all our signals here are live trading, and they are the signals that I will take as well. So we'll go to the second trade. The second trade is Mavia. So let's open Mavia on our charts. Mavia. Okay, here on Mavia, we already marked out our area of interest. We already marked out our area of interest on Mavia, but this was not really complete. Let me remove this as well. Let's mark this out. Okay, this is our area of. I'm going to consider another one right here. Yes, that is correct. We'll put another area here. I hope you guys are seeing how I'm marking out these places. So this is what we have. So let's find out if we have support and resistance here. Yes, we have something here. We have something here. So now this is what we have. This is our chart node. Let me change the color of this. Okay, what do I think here? Since price has moved into here, it moves here, price touched here, move came down, it's reacting to this place. I am expecting something like this. So you can see what I am expecting on this chart now. So since I am expecting this on this chart, now I want to point out that when you are taking a trade from your support and resistance, this is not an area where you use your full margin, because it can just break through it. It's not an area where you use your full margin. This is our 4 hours time frame, so we go to our 1 hour time frame. Now to me this trade is still bullish. Why? Is because this candle, this is a continuation candle. This continuation of candle on the 4 hours, the price has not even close below this candle or invalidated. So this chart is still bullish to me. This chart is still bullish. So if I want to take on a trade based on this now, I will go to the 1 hour time frame. I will go to the 1 hour time frame. When I go to the 1 hour time frame, I will observe the chart pattern. I will see that this chart is still bullish. So this chart is still bullish. I can take a trade from here. I can take any trade from here to the upside and put my stop loss below this week. Put my stop loss here. So I can take this trade. But now, why am I not giving this signal? I am not giving this signal because I don't like taking trades from the middle of the sea. I want my trades to come from where I am having like 80% confidence in my signal. I like taking my signal from point of interest. I don't like taking my signal from support and resistance. So this is still bullish. But now, if you see the 1 hour candle close below this, closes below this with a continuation candle, if the 1 hour closes below this line with a continual candle, just take a sell and put your stop loss below this week. Put your stop loss above this week. So let's check again what we have done here. This is our analysis on Mavia. This Mavia, I also dropped a call on this Mavia when the price was somewhere here. When price was somewhere here, I dropped a call in the group on Mavia when the price was somewhere here. That was where maybe Chris, that was why he commented double bottom. And you can see from here I dropped a call. See how it has played out. See how it has played out. So that is the analysis on Mavia. Let's look at Hippo as Hippo. And this is Hippo. Okay, this is what we have on Hippo. I think we have already marked out our area of interest. Let me check. On Hippo, we marked out our area of interest already. And one thing you always notice is that see how far the price is reacting to our area of interest. Once price moves into our area of interest, there's always a reaction. Price will react to it. It will not just break through it. Something must happen there. That is why I ask you guys, always consider point of liquidity as first. So let me draw another one. I will take this one from here. Let me take this. So let me go to 4 hours and find out our support and resistance if we have. Okay, on the 1 hour you can see support and resistance here. How should I put it? I need to capture this as well. So let me put our support and resistance here. Okay, this is what I'm saying. So right now, is there any other? I can see something like support and resistance here as well. So now let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour time frame Now this was a continuation candle, so at this point it did not have any signal. At this point it did not have any signal. But look at a reversal candle printed here. A reversal candle printed, and because of the reversal candle, it has not been invalidated, so I will take this trade. So what am I expecting? I should have taken this trade from here. If I go to like 1 minute time frame, 1 minute will give me an entry from here. 1 minute will give me an entry from here. Let me check 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, this is our 5 and 15 minutes. What pattern are you guys seeing here? So in my 15 minutes, I can see a very weak, there's a very weak momentum around this. Look at the momentum here is very weak. That means price is not able to, the momentum for this thing to push up is not there. So I look for a sell. I will look for a sell. I will look for, this thing was pushing up all the way. I get into our area of interest, there was no momentum. Now see, your first entry on this chart would have been from here. Your first entry would have been from here. Would have been from here. This would have been your first entry. So you can wait for price to come back here and drop, or you can enter from this current market price and expect a drop, but then you are not going to use your margin because of this difference. Don't use your margin because of this difference. So what I will do, I am going to take a trade from here. So I am going to drop a signal on this from here. So I'm going to take a signal from here. This is 0.00193, and let me put above it 0.020. This is 0.00193. okay. .00190. Okay, another review on this is, when I look at the 4 hours time frame, the 4 hours time frame is still printing continuation candles. The 4 hours candle is still printing continuation candles here. So you can see the continuation candles where the 4 hours printed. So since I am not in, if you have entered from earlier, you would have taken your first profit. So right now, let's monitor people. I will not take a trade because of these 4 hours that is still printing continuation candles. I will not take any trade. I won't take any trade. So let's wait. Let's monitor people and see what is going on. But I expect this thing to do something like this. I am expecting something like this. Then from here we go all the way up. So this is what I am expecting from Hippo. But let's keep watch. If I have another confirmation, I will drop the signal in the group. So don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to like and share video, and keep an eye on these people, and we can take another signal from there. Can have another signal from there. Maybe by 1 p.m. we determine what we will do to Hippo, but for now, let's keep watching. You can still put other point of interest here. This is also a point of interest. All right. Okay, guys. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you in our next video.